Zongzi, a Chinese sticky rice dumpling, is traditionally eaten during the Dumpling Festival, which falls on the lunar month, the 5th of May. It is basically made with a few main ingredients, that is glutinous rice, meat, beans, and bamboo leaf. When the standard of living improves, more ingredients are used to elevate the value of the simple rice dumpling. Nowadays, you can find some of this in the dumpling. Dried seafood like scallops, oysters, or shrimps, canned abalone, lotus seeds, chestnut, salted egg yolk, Chinese sausages, roasted meat like duck or pork. Basically, you can actually add whatever you like into the dumpling, as long as the taste jive. So, making dumpling at home is fun. I'm sharing with you my family favorite Hokkien dumpling recipe. You will love it too. Let's do it together. Don't throw away the salted egg white. You can use it to make delicious soup, steamed egg, or even stir-fried vegetables. The dumpling texture is according to how you twine the string around the leaves. Looser twine will give you softer rice texture. Tighter twine, you will have a firmer rice texture. Really, it is entirely your preference. Remember, all have to be a firm twine and a secure knot to prevent the dumpling from falling out. If not, you have a pot of rice porridge instead of dumpling. Oh. Add 2 tablespoons of salt into the water. Adding salt into the water is important. This is to ensure the cooked rice dumplings will not lose its saltiness. Smells so nice. Although a lot of effort, but it is definitely worth it. I will enjoy the粽while it is still warm together with a cup of Chinese tea. I also like to splash some sugar on it. How do you like yours? For more updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate if you click like and share with your friends too. Post your questions in the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. See you again. Bye.